Welcome. I'm Randall. This here, Elmer.
Elmer Ray Jr. III, twice removed.
Today we're going to show you guys some shooting range stereotypes. Just to be clear, I am the best shooter in Bronson.
Number 1.
Only second to Elmer here.
Number 2.
Best possum trapper in the tri-state area. Proven. He caught my dog last week with his hands. Petted it. Gave it a snack. I was gone, out of state. Took care of it.
Bare hands.
Her name's Lucy.
She's very nice.
You know what would make this intro better?
Music.
Dancing music.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I think it's special what's behind your back.
You know who taught Clint Eastwood how to shoot? This guy.
All right, you young whippersnapper. I'm gonna show you how to shoot today. This is sort of how it goes. First, always got to make sure one's chambered. Always with the hammer back. Actually not. Then you want a wide isosceles stance. And then whenever you pull your gun, you always want to put your finger on the trigger.
Did you mean to do that?
Yeah. I said finger on the trigger, that way you're ready. I just forgot to put my ears on.
You didn't seem ready.
I was totally ready. I was testing you and
Yeah.
you actually kind of failed.
Okay. All right. That won't happen again.
No. We'll go ahead and put our ears on just in case I forgot to put them in.
Okay.
Then you want to get a wide isosceles stance, bend in the knees, in case you got to thrust away, get away from the threat. Then you want to extend, hand on the wrist up.
So hand on the wrist.
Always. Muzzle control.
Okay.
Holster. Let's see. Oh, you gotta commit. You gotta go for it.
Hey.
Wide stance.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, knock the target off. Woo! Yes. Again. And again. Yes. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I give it a C. But one thing you do need to change. You need to get the soft Uncle Mike's holster. This new agey stuff just ain't gonna work. We open carry here, and you can get these with the extra mag pouch for tactical reloads and stuff.
Hey man, thanks for letting me come out and shoot with you and shoot your guns.
Anytime.
Awesome. Is this what I'm shooting?
That's it, bro.
Awesome.
You got your ammo?
No, dude, I kind of thought that you would give me some.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, just go sparingly on it.
Yeah,
No problem. Make every shot count.
Yeah, absolutely. Dude, I appreciate it so much.
No problem. Anytime.